Hi guys! Welcome to KFC Korean Food Cookbang! Easy and tasty cooking channel. This is Eugene. Today's menu is easy and simple Jae Yook Bokkuem. Jae Yook Bokkuem, which is stir-fried spicy marinated pork. I will use sliced pork belly from H-Mart, but you can use any sliced pork you like, but the meat should have some fat for tender and juicy taste. For the marinade sauce, I will mainly use jang, which is known as Korean red chili paste. It's a savory, sweet, and spicy fermented condiment. A lot of Korean dishes use gochujang, so if you want to make Korean dishes at home, you should have this. I think I should create a special video sometime in October maybe to talk about the basic sauces for Korean dishes, right? Maybe. I put all the ingredients in the description of this video with the links, so take a look. And you can even buy from online, okay? We need some marinade time for this recipe, but very easy to follow, so don't be nervous. So let's start! I hope you guys try this recipe and have the Jae Yook Bokkuem at home. This dish is very good with the leafy vegetables, cooked rice, potatoes, or even bread. So enjoy whichever you like, okay? I think this is it for today. Thank you for watching my video. I see you next time. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe me for the next video, okay? Bye! Thank you!